Captain Aaron, and today we are going to a traditional American 4th of July party. There's going to be a whole hog, fireworks, corn on the cob, everything that you could think of that would come along with a United States of America Independence Day celebration. Here we go. Okay, we're about to check out the hog. Been cooking all day. There's the snoot. Oh boy. So 20 years he's been cooking a hog out here for 4th of July. And it's absolutely brilliant because whenever I turn a year older, I know I'm gonna get some good eats. Kids are just having way too much fun. I've got to try out the slide here. First I got to climb up. Here we go. 2, and waiting. All right. I got to wait for some little guy down there. Okay, here we go. That was awesome.
Is that waterproof?
Yeah.
I want to have
that. Ready? Okay. Well, that's a good amount of water fun for me. I think it's time to go and get some of that hog to eat. And we'll see what else is on the menu today.
Sort of gear drive, a stoker, gear reducer, and a motor in the center with a chain drive for both sides.
Okay.
And I've got the guy that I actually built it for, that he keeps it. He worked for UE, so he, if you're familiar with hook line disconnects, high voltage switchgear.
Okay.
There's a whole
Here's the finished product after we've cleaned the hog.
We chucking them out here and then
Might as well.
So we're going to be eating this hog a few different ways. Barbecue pork sandwiches, asada tacos, and we'll have to check out all the food inside. Everybody brings something. Coleslaw, taco salad.
yes.
Oh, the macaroni and cheese is gone.
Is it really?
It is gone. There is maybe one more helping. Of course, deviled eggs.
Watermelon.
That's what I made. Blue tortilla.
Yeah.
And what's all on this? Pork, onion, lime juice, cilantro, a little bit of guacamole, and sour cream. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Oh, this is fantastic. Got to swim in the lake and have the wonderful barbecue. Now everybody's playing in the lake again. Still on the water slide. And we're just waiting for the sun to go down a little bit more. And we're going to have ourselves another fireworks celebration. And there's Cody!
Carter, it's your ball now. But you don't get it too.
All right, setting up some of these fireworks.
This one got damaged, and so
Hope for the best on that guy.
I'm just gonna douse it in gasoline, and it's all gonna go off at once.
He's going to douse that one in gasoline and it's all going to go off at once. America. Master Stage. And Nishiki Kamuro. That means there's a lot of gunpowder in there, right? Master Show. You got some mortars, cluster bombs, a raccoon. There, that was my favorite, the Eagle Pride.
It's got a pointed end to stick them in the ground.
Good. I love these things.
Now we're just about to light off a whole bunch of fireworks. This is going to be awesome. We get to be right underneath them as this happens. As you can see, there's mortars. That's serious business. That's awesome. What are you holding on to there? That's a big rocket. We're about to light off this. It's a 3-inch ball, isn't it? That's 3 inches. You know, it's incredible. It's a big ball. About to light this guy. Light this guy. I don't think that was supposed to happen. See all the kids over there just going crazy. Wow, I can barely hear if it sounds like I'm talking a little bit loud, but what an amazing 4th of July celebration. The hog, the fireworks, the swimming, it just doesn't get more American than this. We did our best, by golly. Until next time, Captain Aaron.